how to restore deleted post on your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple and easy. Just go to your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, now go right here to the posts option and click on all posts. After you click all posts, it will take you right here to this page. Now all what you have to do is go to the trashed here. Now right here you will find your deleted post and go here, click restore. Now as you can see, I restored my post here. It's a draft now. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.